yelling from the hallway, where'd that filter go? Dad's digging through the basement like it's buried treasure gold. UPMC bills stacked up, looking criminal. And Peyton's room exploded, yeah, it's getting critical. Take apart the computer, wrap the wires tight. Bubble wrap, knick-knacks like we're moving overnight. Bookshelf boxes tower to the ceiling fan. This whole operation needs a 5-year plan. And everybody's sweaty, everybody's tired, but the Subaru convoy's getting fully wired. Loaded in the Black Pearl, Iowa bound. Stuff so full, the bumper nearly drags the ground. Space Lobster back to Delaware. Mom says label boxes, Dad says move it fast. We're surviving on iced coffee and pure spite. Slip house summer got us working every night. Slip house summer, surviving on spite. No more avenues waiting with a million chores. Doorknobs, locks, caulk and paint drips on the floor. Bathroom ceiling looking like a storm rolled through. And the couch got mysteries nobody wants to view. Replace the stove filter, patch the concrete cracks. Garage door locks so sketchy it might fight back. Smoke detector chirping like a tiny cop. Dad keeps saying one more thing and it never stops. Sweep the garage floor, shop back all the dust. If Troy fixed the water leak, we're praying that we trust. Loaded in the Black Pearl, Iowa bound. Stuffed so full, the bumper nearly drags the ground. Space Lobster back to Delaware. Mom says label boxes, Dad says move it fast. We're surviving on iced coffee and pure spite. Slip house summer got us working every night. Slip house summer, surviving on spite. Everybody thought the moving part was bad till the maintenance list attacked Mom and Dad. Now we're growing faster than we can destroy. And somebody please confirm the leak got fixed by Troy. Still got 47 things on the kitchen floor, but we're laughing through the chaos as we slam the door. Westbound through the heat, Space Lobster heading east, with boxes in the seats. Peyton's off to Iowa, Wilmington awaits, and the slip house still got 47 things. But someday we'll laugh about this whole chaotic mess. The garage dust, the caulking, and the moving stress. Till then we're making memories, one chore at a time, with a shop vac soundtrack and suburban summertime. Black Pearl.